This case study showcases how our innovative solution, utilizing the Anybus X-Gateway AB7558, helped a prominent IT company simplify their wiring infrastructure and enable seamless data access from anywhere. Faced significant challenges in establishing secure and efficient data communication while reducing the complexity of their wiring infrastructure. They needed a solution that would allow them to access data remotely without compromising reliability or performance. We implemented the Anybus X-Gateway AB7558 as a comprehensive wiring solution for our client. This advanced device acted as a bridge between Profibus and MQTT protocols,